about you, but I'm pretty dehydrated. We did a lot of walking today. I'm gonna have some this little water here and add some of this eternal energy there. I could use some vitamins and some hydration and a little bit of energy to boot after a good morning. We've been up since 3 a.m. and it's 9, and we still may not be done. So
exactly, man.
I'm about ready to power this down and get my day going again.
Yep, exactly. Time to keep going. It's the only way to get them. You can't get them if you're not out there.
That's right.
Let's do it.
You know, Matt, it's raining pretty good right now. It's kind of miserable out and cold. But we've got these nice fields that it seems like every time it rains, it's full of turkeys. They just love to come in those fields, pick on bugs, keep an eye on the coyotes that are keep them at bay. And I think we got a good chance of getting in there. If we could sneak in along the edge of one of these fields, call them across there, maybe set up Pretty Boy, we got a real good chance of getting them. I've been waiting for a rainy day to get in there. Nobody's been screwing with them too bad, so I think we got a real good chance. I like to hunt in the rain a little bit.
Yeah, we're doing.
We're going after another bird right over here. Gonna get Pretty Boy again, give him another shot, and hopefully I can get this one with one shot. What do you think, Matt?
Let's try it, brother.
Rather than lock in on them, we're going to try and, rather than using a turkey call, because this bird's on the back side of a field, we're going to try and let's give him a crow call, see if we get him to answer. That way we're not drawing his attention. We can move in and set up right there.
Yeah, absolutely. I heard him.
That's awesome. I love a good crow call.
Here they come, man. Where? It's on the corner of the island over there. See one? There you go. Oh, yeah. There's two of them. Yep. One looks like a jake, and then I can see from here, they're a long ways away. Oh, he definitely sees Pretty Boy. Oh, they're coming. Come here nice too. I'll never see them. Looking for the hand for sure.
Yeah, dude. Oh, man. Yeah, baby. Dude, what a hunt. Is he awesome?
Hooks on this one, Matt.
Really?
Oh my God. This one's got some hooks on it.
Really?
Yep.
Tell you what, he acted dominant, that's for sure.
Oh, he's got some weight to him too, Matt.
Let's see, what do we got, brother?
Oh God.
Oh, I can see the hooks. Hold them up against the sky. Oh, baby. Look at... Oh, that's awesome, brother.
That's a good one there.
Rainy day gobblers,
Rainy
baby.
day gobblers, baby.
That's awesome.
Yeah. Oh,
Man, what a show, too,
what
huh?
a show, huh?
Unbelievable.
Unbelievable. Oof.
Absolutely fantastic.
Wow. You gotta love the rainy days.
Yep.
Everybody looks out in the morning when it's pouring rain out and says, not today, maybe tomorrow. Not us. This is an opportunity.
Yep, no doubt.
Opportunity.
No doubt.
You gotta check them out, Matt. That was awesome.
That is absolutely so cool, man.
That was way cool. Yep.
I can't believe, you know, people on days like today, they won't hear those birds coming off the, you know, when they drop down out of the roost. But when these birds, the hens go to the nest so quick.
That's true.
They got to protect their nest.
Yeah.
And this is what happens.
And they were quiet in the beginning of the morning. They gobbled
that's
a
it.
little
They
bit.
had the hens.
They had the hens.
But they lose them quick.
They lose them quick.
They're gone.
And here they go. They got to come out. And,
Dude, what a stud. Look at that, man. They're like ivory.
yeah.
That is so cool.
Bright white. Oof, that's a fighter
Oh,
there.
he's a blast,
Oh,
brother,
man,
man.
that was good.
Oh, my God.
Yeah.
Nice job, dude. I suppose I'm going to have to carry Pretty Boy.
I can get him. We don't need that.
Nope. For a horrible morning, what a great morning.
Oh my God. Yeah. Worth being soaking wet and getting up at 3 a.m. for, huh?
And then some.
And then some. We sat here in the pouring rain for, a good 45 minutes this morning wondering if we made the right move.
Yeah, I think we did.
I think we did too. But we know we did deep down. Now, before we even left your driveway, we knew this is what it's probably going to come down to.
Exactly. Love it when a plan comes together.
And everybody else stayed home, right?